Numati constituency ke parlopon kechengsi Dengaon Town Along computer kacharli arisoi janga tumaphan Northeast Institute of Technical Education along pen kacharli avarsai Ranjit terang pen ingpu pontangno non appear the kacharli ahin ke thek etnangjia kaisi nanglilo lo kacharli ponason thotsi computer kacharli anathuta ke thek etnangjia kailo computer jongsi thek the pulote lo kacharli seta charli nagakai nangman tanglo lason si kedamtang mati jong ni phai ke barni Dengaon Town Along kechengsi computer kacharli avarsai donangji pura the Northeast Institute of Technical Education Director mate CEO Ranjit terang pen matha ponlo bangso tengpen Dengaon Town jasemet non ovekimi reso ejang lapen computer kacharli ningki hangatuma phan mesen atowar 1 pilo bangso Northeast Institute of Technical Education kangpu along manpeng alo hipen kachetong dun Dengaon Bajar Maipu Joy Singkro lapen Thongnokbe College Lothan bang Bablu Basumatare tum chetong dun.
That school name is under these institutions Northeast Public English School, but our this institution name is the Northeast Institute of Technical Education and school also along with Northeast Public English School. And now we are trying to another in futures for the junior college also, Northeast Public Junior College. We are trying to establish for along with college also. So we have already registered all these school, college, technical, professional, everything that means IT, electronic, vocational, paramedical, journalism, mass communication, hotel management, and that means fashion, aviations, that means photography, acting, dance, makeup, arts, socio-economics, and all these we have registered.
Dengaon pen Bikrom Teron Karbiang Long Live.